हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लेट अस राइड। टाइम हो गया है सुबह के 6:30 एंड वी आर अप फॉर अ राइड विच इज़ अ सरप्राइज प्लेस। इवन वी डोंट नो वेयर वी आर गोइंग। डिसाइड सीधा मीटिंग पॉइंट पे होगा कि आखिर जाना कहाँ पे। जाना तो है लेकिन कहाँ जाना है वो डिसाइड नहीं हुआ। सो दिस विल बी ऑफिशियली माय फर्स्ट राइड, एन ऑफिशियल राइड दैट वी कैन से आफ्टर लॉकडाउन, द सेकेंड लॉकडाउन। So this is Amit. Welcome Amit.
Hello, all set?
All set. संकेत, चलो, the journey has started. तो एक जगह थी जो डिसाइड की थी जिसका नाम है खांडी। तो वो खांडी जो है वो जगह जाने के लिए अराउंड 170 किलोमीटर्स है यहाँ से। एंड कार्तिक जो है उसने कभी इतना लंबा राइड कभी किया नहीं है, सो इट्स न्यू फॉर हिम एंड उसके लिए भी हेक्टिक होने वाला है अगर हम लोग खांडी जाएंगे। एंड so now we have decided that we will be going to Khandi. That is around 170 kilometers from Mumbai. We are around 100 kilometers away from our destination now. To see some rain ahead. This is a good point, but this is not Khandi that we are going to. Amit, let's go to Khandi here. What are you doing?
You got us towards the handi. We are not having handi chicken over here. We need to go to Khandi. Let's go.
From Khandi, can we have chicken handi?
Yes, definitely. Let's see. Chhi yaar. Chhi.
So now we are en routing towards Khandi Waterfall again. We had taken a wrong route and came to some other place, and now it's showing 4.5 kilometers away from our current location. But the viewpoint that we reached was awesome. We have ridden till now 180 kilometers up till now, and around 5 hours we are riding. but the roads were superb. There was an off-road patch, but that was because of our wrong turn that we took, and which took us to a bad off-road patch. But nevertheless, the roads and the scenic location is awesome. All of us are now tired. They just want to go and have fun in the waterfall, and just we are hoping that we find one. When I was at 160 kilometers, the fuel gauge was showing me 2 points, and I thought that it's better that I fuel up. Local shop was having petrol with them, so I had filled up 3 liters of petrol from them just to be on a safer side, and no issues should be there. We can see some waterfalls now. Look at that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 waterfalls. तिकडे मंदिरकडे लावायची गाडी, तिकडून चालत 10 मिनिटे वॉक आहे. चलो मंदिर के पास बाइक लगा के चल के जाए ना. मंदिर के बाइक लगा के चल के आते. थैंक यू. तो लोकेशन ऐसा मिला है कि आगे एक मंदिर लगेगा जहाँ पे हमें बाइक्स पार्क करनी है, एंड इट्स 10 minutes वॉक. Our trek has started. यहाँ से कुछ 10 किलोमीटर का वॉक, 10 मिनट का वॉक है, सॉरी. And finally we have found one waterfall. Mission accomplished. थँक्स टू सचिन, अँड थँक्यू सतीश काका आम्हाला इथपर्यंत पोचवल्याबद्दल. So we are done with this beautiful waterfall, and it was very chilling cold water. We just had a bath shower, you can say, under this cold waterfall. Little bit slippery, but you will enjoy this trail. तो ये जो बोर्ड है पेंदेवाड़ी, वहाँ से आपको लेफ़्ट लेना है, ये जो लेफ़्ट है। तो हम लोग ने बाइक कर दी थी एंड हम लोग चलते चलते गए थे। यहाँ से सामने वाटरफॉल दिखेगा आपको। तो 10 मिनट का वॉक था। मज़ा आ गया।
बहुत मजा आया. It was fun. Hell like a fun. Hell like a waterfall. Enjoyed.
So we have started our return journey now. Had lots of fun over here. Amit and I also had a small fall near the waterfall and थोड़ा लग गया, लेकिन ठीक है, वो तो स्लिपरी होता ही है. इट्स अ लर्निंग फॉर अस. जब हम लोग आ रहे थे तो एवरेज स्पीड वाज ऑफ 39 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. थैंक्स टू Satish uncle and Sachin Shelar for suggesting this place and for helping us to get to this place. Thank you very much for that. 2 hours away from home. कार्तिक की जो बाइक की हेडलाइट है वो ख़राब हो गई है. So I am giving him the passing light so that he can ride safely. This was a fun day and also a tiring day now. My back has started to pain now because of the aggressive position of this bike. It has its own pros and cons of riding such a bike and having such a bike. Hope you like the video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye. GoPro stop recording.